So now I'm here on my homepage on Facebook and I'm going to place this video. Let's go here, upload photos video. Here it is on my computer. I say open and I'm going to say something about it and I'm going to choose an image. This one seems most clear to me. And then we can post it, public, post. Here you see it happening. You can put on the sound. The video stops playing. The next point is, what are you going to do? Are you going to upload your video directly to Facebook or are you putting a... This is how easy it is. Now if you want to know exactly how what the specs should be of your video, go here. Facebook Business Ad Guide Video Views. You don't have to create an ad, but here you find the recommendations, design recommendations, MP4, technical requirements, and you have call to actions, you can choose them. If your video is too big, use a program like Handbrake, it's free, download Handbrake. Use just the settings as they are, tell it where it should go, and let it handle the compression. This is how easy it is to put a video on Facebook.